In a big relief for the protesters, the Delhi government has decided not to take any further legal action in the 13 cases registered by the Delhi police in connection with the 20th of July NEET protests. The decision follows a letter from the Delhi government to the Lieutenant Governor that has sought approval to halt any further legal action against those who have been booked. And further, the Delhi government has also now moved to close the cases linked to the NEET protests. However, the relief will not apply to everyone. The government has clarified that those with criminal antecedents will not get protection in line with the Supreme Court's order. The interim directions have come as the Supreme Court hears a batch of petitions alleging the use of disproportionate use of force by the Delhi police against the protesters during the 20th of July demonstrations. Moreover, questions are also being raised on the deployment of the Rapid Action Force alongside the Delhi police and the alleged use of pellet guns on the protesters. Now, at least about 4 people have reported pellet gun injuries during these protests. While the Delhi police has strongly denied the use of pellet guns, a general diary entry filed at the Parliament Street police station has revealed that the Rapid Action Force did in fact fire at least 2 rounds from an anti-riot gun, that is a pellet gun, on the directions of a Deputy Commissioner of Police rank officer. Following the 20th of July protest, the RAF then withdrew the shock batons, the electric shields, the pump action gun, that is a pellet gun, and the anti-riot guns from personnel who were deployed at Jantar Mantar. Now, the use of police excessive force was also a flashpoint in the Parliament. The opposition members of Parliament have demanded for accountability and have sought an apology from the Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the heavy police crackdown that the students were subjected to. On the other hand, the Delhi police has said that the protesters apparently pelted stones and also damaged some public property, while security personnel had used tear gas and lathi charged them after repeated appeals to disperse failed. And according to the police, around 200 police personnel and more than 65 protesters sustained injuries, while over 15 vehicles were apparently damaged. Furthermore, the Delhi police has said that it has screened more than 2,800 people who took part in the 20th of July march, and of those examined, 989 of them apparently had criminal antecedents, and they were identified using facial recognition, CCTV footage and videos captured by the police and the public. Additionally, the Supreme Court has also ordered for the release of detained protesters who are under the age of 18 and have no criminal record whatsoever. The Apex Court has also directed for an independent probe into both the protest violence and also the allegation of police excesses that were committed during the protests.
कि स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट सीधा ही सीधा आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के साथ टकराव में क्यों आए? प्रॉब्लम यहाँ है. ये हमारे सिस्टम की कमी है. ये हमारा कॉलोनियल सिस्टम है, ब्रिटिश सिस्टम का. हर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर लाठी चार्ज, अब आर्म्ड फोर्स लाओ. ये गलत है. इसको इस्तेमाल करना, इसका हमको दुरुपयोग हो रहा है. ये मिसप्लेस्ड पॉलिसी है.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.